Hi guys, welcome to our new video. Today I'll be showing how to do the fly glitch. And wait a second, I need to build it. Oh yes, I forgot the slime blocks. Please wait, I need to delete all of these trash. Wait a bit. Delete. Yeah, now I can go. First up, you need to have one golden block in the center. Then you pick something like gravel. Where is it? Where? Show me. Okay. Now I need gravel. Let's go. And where is it? Oh, here. Fancy block. Oh, I placed it wrong. Go. Look, you place it like this. Now where's that thingy dingy? Where is it? Oh, here is it. Yeah, look. It's like here. It's like this. You can buy it here. And there, yeah. The chest here for 540 gold. Okay, now you need slime blocks. Where are they? No, not there. Oh yeah, here. You place it on the block and then you're stuck. Now I look where you can buy slime blocks. I have them all already. Okay, where is it? Okay, I think I go one more round. Where is it? Where? Show me. No, it's not there. You can buy for 405 gold, but I don't have it. Okay, let's now fly. Okay, you need to click the jump button to fly. Oh, I crashed into something. Okay, and now it's going super fast. Look. Oh. Go. Yes, look. But it's going down when you don't press the jump button. Oh, sorry, I accidentally died. Okay, that can happen. Sorry. But now I'm gonna show you. You can make it like with gold, fully gold. Look. I think with this fully gold flying machine is better. It flies better, I think. Look. You see? It flies better. Oh, I forgot that there was an invisible wall. Oh, come on. Look. Now I'm going to the chest. Golden. Where I get one gold. Go. Oh. Go. There we go. Oh. Okay, go. I need to fly. Okay, go. Oh, no. Hey, go. Oh, I crashed in the bamboo. I don't know what it is. Okay, let's fly. Go. Oh, this is the game world, I think. Oh, we are already here. Wait, you need to touch these slime blocks, then they will disappear. Okay, come. Bro needs the chest first. Wait, I need to wait because I can't open it right now. It's for him. The gold block, not for me. Okay, waiting. Yeah, now I can. Open. Oh, yes. One golden block and gold. Okay. And one gold block. Let's go. Got it. And now I get 97 gold. Okay. And now chest. I don't know. Chest 2. Okay. Now I'm gonna show you jetpack for 350 gold. Look what it can do in this game. This game is Build the Boat for Treasure in Roblox. You can play with me too. My name is Misha RRR on YouTube. No, our YouTube. Okay, look what it can do. You can, if you crash in your airplane, then you can fly like this in the sky. If you wanna go higher, you press the jump button. And okay, I wanna see the, I don't know, warship. Okay, let's try it one more time. Oh, why is there an invisible wall? Okay, come on. Here. Oh, come on. Oh, and if you touch the water, you get damage. Come on. Oh. Look, this is the high limit. Look, my fuel is now. I have no fuel left, as you can see there on my back of my jetpack, but I can still fly. Yeah, that's wondering to me. Okay, how long can I fly? Okay, don't do that. Okay, it's taking too long. Okay, I'm not doing that. Okay, come on. What? Okay. Wait a little bit. Okay, it's taking too long, so I don't do that. Maybe. Okay, not. I'm doing that one more time. Nah. Okay. And you can say already bye-bye. So the video comes to an end. And wait a little bit. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video.